Welcome to Sarasas Samutsan School. This is Science Matayam 1 and my name is Teacher Carla Circulado. Okay, let's start our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. Please listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Fibrous root. Fibrous root. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Multiply. Multiply. Now repeat after me. Fibrous root. Chlorophyll. Multiply. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Organic. Organic. Pistil. Pistil. Primary. Primary. Now repeat after me. Organic. Pistil. Primary. Very good. Now listen again as I read the third and last set of words. Reproduction. Reproduction. Leaves. Leaves. Stamen. Stamen. Now repeat after me. Reproduction. Leaves. Stamen. Very good. Now let's practice reading and spelling. Our first word, leaves. Everybody, leaves. Let's spell together. L E A V E S. Leaves. Very good. Number 2, organic. Let's spell together. O R G A N I C. Organic. And number 3, chlorophyll. C H L O R O P H Y L L. Chlorophyll. Very good. So today we will have a review about what we talked about on our previous topic. We talked about our photosynthesis, which is the way of plants. They use light to help put things together. Okay, and also to make food, plants use chlorophyll. Light also helps plants to combine carbon dioxide with water to produce food. Also, stomata is a tiny hose in a part of the leaf that produces oxygen and water. Okay, let's talk about it again for our review. If you have your books, please open it. We will talk about Unit 1, Plants. Okay, everybody, photosynthesis. Again, photosynthesis. Very good. So, photosynthesis takes place inside the leaves. Repeat after me. Takes place inside the leaves. Very good. So, photosynthesis takes place or happened inside the leaves. Okay? Inside the leaves. That's where photosynthesis happened. Okay? Inside the leaves. Okay. Coming from the word photo, meaning the light. Okay? Photo is the light. Synthesis, putting things together. Synthesis, putting things together. Putting carbon dioxide and water together. Okay? Now, repeat after me. Means the way plants use light to help put things together, usually to make new things. Very good. So, photosynthesis, which takes place inside the plant, meaning photo is the light, and synthesis, putting carbon dioxide and water together. Okay, to produce new things, which is the oxygen, the water, and sugar. Okay, we will talk about it more on our next slide. Okay, repeat after me. To make food, plants use chlorophyll in the leaves to absorb light energy. Very good. So we already know that photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of the plant. Okay, so inside the leaf of the plant, there is the green pigment. This one, the green pigment, is called chlorophyll. So the plants use chlorophyll in the plants to absorb sunlight and also provide energy for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so we have a picture here so we can better understand the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so let's say that this is the leaves. Okay, this is the leaf from the plant. Okay, this one is this one. Okay, then the plant or the leaf will then use chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is this, the box right here. Okay, so the leaf will use the chlorophyll to absorb the sunlight. Okay, so the sunlight is already absorbed by the leaves. The sunlight will then help carbon dioxide and water to combine together. Okay, so after they combine, the leaf will then use the chlorophyll again or its energy to synthesize or produce new things from carbon dioxide and water. Okay, it will produce new things. Okay, so the new things are water, oxygen, and the food. Okay, so photosynthesis is a process by which plants or the leaves uses sunlight to synthesize food or new things from carbon dioxide and water. Of course, with the use of chlorophyll. Okay, so let's see the next slide. Okay, repeat after me. Light helps plants to combine carbon dioxide with water to produce sugar and oxygen. Very good. So as we already talked about, the light is the one helping carbon dioxide and water to combine. Okay, so let's see the picture. Carbon dioxide plus water, okay, with the help of sunlight. And of course, plants or the leaves uses chlorophyll, which then they will produce glucose or the sugar or the food of the plant. They will also produce oxygen, which be released in the leaves, and also the water, which is also released in the leaves. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, next, repeat after me. Carbon dioxide enters plants through stomata of the leaves. At the same time, the plants release oxygen and excess water, giving us fresh air. Very good. So, we already talked about the part of the plant, the part of the leaves, right? So, it has the tiny holes in a plant that allows carbon dioxide to enter into the plant or into the leaves. And also, after the process of photosynthesis, it also allows to produce or to release water and oxygen. The tiny hole is called stomata. Okay? The tiny hole from the leaves where the carbon dioxide enters and also where water and oxygen release is called stomata. Okay? Next. Okay, so let's do our summary of what we talk about today. We talk about the photosynthesis. It is the way of plants use light to help put things together. Okay, so the photosynthesis use the light and the green pigment which is in the leaf, which is called the chlorophyll, to make new things. Okay, next, to make food, plants use chlorophyll. Okay, so for the plant or the leaves to make food, they use chlorophyll or the green pigment in the leaves. Next, light helps plants to combine carbon dioxide with water to produce food. Okay, so the light, now we know that the light helps the plants to combine or to put together the carbon dioxide or the odorless or colorless gas that we produce and the water to produce food for the plants. Okay, so hope you all learned today about the photosynthesis. Okay, thank you so much all students. Just a reminder, don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy, and we will see you soon. Goodbye!